Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to shuffle a playlist on Amazon using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Amazon Music app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now inside Library, tap Playlist and choose the playlist you want to shuffle. Once the playlist opens, look at the top, you will see a shuffle button. It usually looks like a two crossed arrows and may say shuffle. Tap the shuffle button icon once. As soon as you tap it, Amazon will start playing songs from your playlist in a random order. You can also turn shuffle on while a song is playing. Tap the now playing bar at the bottom of the screen. To open the full screen, look for the shuffle icon near the music control. The shuffle icon is highlighted, that means shuffle is turned on. And that's it. That's how to shuffle a playlist on Amazon Music using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.